In this lecture, I'm going to tell you the main structure in water resources engineering. This is multi-purpose dam. This is used for hydropower, navigation, and extra. The next important topic is interrelation and the distinction among engineering, science, and technology. We have to know these important terms. First, I would like to express engineering. Engineering is a profession in which knowledge of the mathematical natural science gained by study, experience, and practices is applied with judgment to develop ways to utilize economically the materials and forces of nature for the benefit of mankind. The second one is technology. It is the innovation, change, or modification of the natural environment in order to satisfy perceived human wants and needs. The third one is science. You have to know the role of science in water resources engineering in detail. Science deals with the natural world. It is very concerned with what exists in the natural world. It is concerned with the process that seek out the meaning of the natural world by inquiry, discovery, what is exploring, and using the scientific method. Take a look at the relevant issues we should know in water resources engineering. We should have to know preparation policies, plans, programs for water resource identification, development, and management, reconnaissance, feasibility studies of water resource development projects. These include technical studies, economic analysis, environmental impact studies, and other relevant investigations, and planning, design, construction, and management of irrigation projects, including diversion network such as weir or barrage, irrigation water requirements, or properties, irrigation network, water application, drainage networks, and extra planning, design, construction, management of water supply projects, hydropower plants, flood control or protection, hydropower projects. We have to know the method of preparing, designing, and constructing hydropower projects. And we should know elements of dam, such as reservoir dam. There are many different types of dam, such as arc dam, gravity dam, buttress dam, detention dam, storage dam, cover dam, embankment dam. And you should know spillway as elements of dam. Also, there are many types of spillways, such as siphon spillway, side channel spillway, chute spillway, shaft spillway, bogie spillway, straw drop spillway. Also, this one is Galgal Gibi Rockfield dam. We have to know the method of prepare, planning, design, and the construction of such like dam. DB3 hydropower project. Also, you should have to know the method of planning, designing, constructing such like dam and its components. As you see, it has many components such as powerhouse, diversion tunnels, dam, gate shaft, surge shaft, and other devices provided with this dam. This is Adama water supply or treatment plant. As a component of water treatment plant, we should have to know groundwater sources or sources of groundwater, for example, an impounding reservoir, lake, or river, intake well, or sump, water pumping system. There are two types of pump, submersible pump and unsubmersible pump. They used submersible pump at this treatment plant, suction and a delivery pipe, cascade aerator, clarifier, filter bed washing system, sand filters, sludge transfer pump, sludge removing system, chlorine dosing system, the clear water pumping system, clear water reservoir, SCADA instrumentation system, flow meter and valves, laboratory. By the way, I visited this treatment plant, starting from the source to treatment plant house 10 years ago. Also, we have to know water collection, hydrological studies, or the method of collecting fluid water in geomembrane by providing geomembrane or by providing suitable place to collect water during heavy rainfall to use water for irrigation or other uses. Water storage. As you see, we can use dam as a water storage, and you should know the method of preparing, planning, design, and construction, such like a structure, design of on-farm water distribution or gravity and pressurized meter. Gravity meter means water is diverted from upstream to downstream by gravity, while pressurized meter or the process of diverting water from downstream to upstream by using pump for irrigation. This is embankment canal. There are many types of canal, such as main canal, primary canal, secondary canal, tertiary canal. So you should have to know these important issues, and pipe used at command area to distribute water. Main bondage. This is for irrigation. This is used for row crops. And the next one is drip irrigation system. This method is very important to save water. Sprinkler irrigation. This method is used to spray water on the surface, on the top surface of plants or crops. Also, you have to know this important method or the method of providing such like drainage. We can remove excess water from command area or agricultural land by providing suitable or adequate drainage structure. Design and manage rural and urban water supply and sanitation projects. Under this topic, I want to discuss groundwater exploration. Groundwater exploration methods include test drilling or geophysical logging techniques. And as a part of water well, we have to know casing, pump, pressure switch, sealing, drop pipe, gravel pack, screening, and also water well drilling equipment such as hydraulic rotary drilling equipment or cable tool drilling equipment, hydraulic rotary drilling rigs. The next important structure is weir. First, we have to know the meaning of weir. Weir is a barrier constructed across the river used to divert water from source to a canal for irrigation. As you see, it has upstream and downstream. The next relevant structure is flood protection structure. As a flood protection structure, we can use retaining walls, dikes, and others. This one is tunnels. You may see such like tunnels at powerhouse. Tunnel is not only used for water delivery or water conveyance, but also it is used to transfer cables from one place to the other or just transportation. This one is spillway. Take a look at this impressive structure. This one is arc dam. This one is GB3 hydropower plant. Tekesi Dam, the tallest dam in Africa. Thank you for your attention.